This is the HUAWEI Nova 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the app gallery and make sure that your device is connected to the network, should it be Wi-Fi or cellular. Then at the search bar type in Opera. Among the search results you want to open the respective Opera browser page. Click on this blue install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, as you can see, the Opera has been successfully installed on our smartphone, so now we gotta open it, as well as undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. Here tap on the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like for the ad blocker to be enabled, or you can always skip the step. The same goes for the checker blocking feature, and set in Opera as your default browser. Finally, there is this page that allows you to customize the permissions and app access and privacy stuff that you would like to grant to Opera. You can either customize those things or simply allow everything that it needs and start using the Opera browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.